We're back with the bird. She scared the crap out of me. See the black dot? Right. There. That's the bird. We're gonna get him. Oh, he seems to have spotted me. There it goes. It's very scary. This bird will charge. It will stop at nothing.
I'm not stuck.
There it goes. I'm too fat. We're just running. Bird. I don't know. It flew over here. I don't know where it went. Where'd it go? Three? We're gonna die. We're gonna die, Emmy. Where'd it go? Ah, found it! He'll be back. We have to wait a little while. Oh my God! What? Stupid bird! The other one's over there. It's laughing at me.
Turn towards me.
It tried to bite her.
Not literally.
I'm gonna die. There's two of them. They're just
Three.
Well, I see two of them.
Yeah,
There's
well,
one
that little one that flew out.
right there.
One of them.
And another one
Over there.
where'd it go? I don't know. It's somewhere up there. Oh my God! Found it!
Actually, that little one isn't one of those birds. There's three of them though. There's one on the roof over there.
I know, but this thing's still trying to eat me. Oh, there's one.
There's two.
Ah, there it goes. It's like the movie Birds.
Only smaller.
Yeah. They live in the vents. There's two of them up there. There's one right there. Where'd it go? What? They're attacking! Yeah, they are. Those little demon birds. Oh, these things are demonic. Oh, you evil little birds. Scare the crap out of people like me. What? I'm scared. I don't see it. Hello, birdies. Oh, it's so cute. Here it is. They insist. There it is. It's cute. I'm just afraid of the big one. The little one's just sort of scare me. What?
It's over there.
Is it on my side?
Look,
Where?
on your side.
I don't see it.
In the middle of the thing.
Oh, it's sitting on the fence. Ah! There's a whole gang. See them? You gonna live? Whoa, there's the evil one. That's the big one right there. I'm gonna get you! It'll come back. It won't leave. Those little ones are just a bonus.
I see him.
Where is he? Oh, there's a little gang. Wow, I stepped in him. Yep.
We really need to start doing there.
Right? Of the big ones or the little ones?
Cool.
Really? Videotape it. Ah, stepped in the twigs. Where'd it go? Are they chasing you? What?
Oh, this one.
I heard it. Where'd it go? It's laughing at us. Emmy, I'm coming down there. Whoa, birdie. No, I'm never gonna quit. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Just acting like we're animals. There's a couple of them on the fence over there. This one there. And then another one right there. And then there's a couple of them flying around. Oh, Emma, there's a bunch. Hurry up. We're right back.